Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best plasma ball lights that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Mos Spectate Plasma Ball Light. Do you want to enjoy colorful and magical lighting effects at the comfort of your home? Buy this best plasma ball light that features superb craftsmanship. You get 5 lighting effects and styles that you can choose from, making it highly user-friendly. Ideally, you can use these lighting effects and styles for the interior decoration of your house. Moreover, using it is hassle-free because it has an easy-to-operate design. You can charge this product with your phone, PC, or any other device as it features a USB-powered design. Furthermore, it will help you create the right ambiance for a romantic night with your loved one. One of the things that you will love about this product is that it is compact, making it easy to use in a limited space. Moving on at number 4, we have the RioRand Plasma Ball Light. Are you searching for the affordable best plasma ball light for your home? Here is a product that gives you a competitive price if you are running on a tight budget. You will love its eye-catching decoration that will give you lots of fun when relaxing at home. Your kids will find it fascinating, allowing them to use it as a toy that keeps them busy and engaged. Moreover, you will appreciate that you can easily carry it from one room to another because it is highly portable. Apart from being fun, this product gives educational value for kids as it features a scientific learning experience. You will also love its power convenience as you can use USB port or batteries to power it. At number 3, we have the Mornajina Thunder Lightning Lamp for parties. Here is the best plasma ball light that will respond to your touch, making it moist fascinating for kids. One of the things that you will love about this product is that it displays a stylish butterfly shape, decorating your space. Therefore, your office, bedroom, or living room will have a science-like atmosphere that will make your day or night interesting. You can offer this as a gift to people of all ages regardless of whether they are kids or adults. To ensure that it serves you for a long time, this product features an ABS plastic lamp holder that is strong and sturdy. Carrying it from one room to another is a breeze and you can charge it via its USB port, making it convenient when traveling. At number 2, we have the Balibu Touch and Sound Activated Lightning Globe. Do you want to keep your kids entertained and engaged in their room? How about you buy this best plasma ball light that will effortlessly respond to touch? You can easily carry it from one room to another because it is compact and lightweight. One of the things that make it stand out is that you can offer it as a gift to anyone above the age of 6 years. It saves you money after the initial cost as you do not need to keep buying batteries to power it. All you need to do is plug it into some power source and it is ready for use. Apart from touch, this product will also respond to sound, making it highly convenient as you do not need to wake up from the bed or couch to have it in use. Both kids and adults can play with this product because it has high-strength glass that boosts its durability. And finally at number 1, we have the Anqia Red Color Crystal Ball for Halloween. Are you searching for a safe and environmentally friendly plasma ball light that you can find on the market today? This product features eco-friendly glass and resin, giving you exactly what you are looking for. You can buy it as a birthday gift to kids of all ages as it is fun and engaging. To alter the lighting color effect, you simply need to tuff the glass exterior and enjoy the show. Ideally, this makes it both fun and educational as it enlightens you or the kid on the concept of lightning, voltage, and current in an entertaining and engaging way. You can use this product for a wide application, giving you versatility as you can place it in your kid's room or have it as a table centerpiece. To ensure that you get great value for your money, the manufacturer offers a 180 days warranty to buyers. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.